Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to DNS domain on Bluehost. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And this is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to get access or to DNS domain on Bluehost. Simply once we are here, click on domains on this left panel, which will expand this. Click on my domains. In here, you'll find all the domains that you have in your account. Simply now you'll have to go and look for the domain name that you want. For me, I have just one. For you, if you have a lot, just go and look for the one that you would like to access DNS on. Then simply click on manage. Once you do that, you will find this page ahead of you. Now you will have simply to click on this DNS option. And as you can see, you will find the DNS settings on your domain name. Here you can edit the name servers, edit like the records, and even reset the zones to default. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.